Hello, creative kids. Welcome back. In this special episode, Alma is excited to take the lead and provide the how to draw instructions. I'll be here to support her every step of the way. Let's dive in and have some fun together. Let's start with a circle.
Place your roller circle over here. And now let's draw the feet.
And the belly that leads to the front foot.
And now let's do a horn with stripes.
An alicorn. In mythology, the alicorn is described as a magical horn that possesses various powers.
Let's do now the tail.
Lovely. Let's create a stunning mane for our unicorn that adds to its magical charm.
And right here.
Let's bring in some vibrant colors. Feel free to use any color palette that inspires you, whether it's bold and bright or soft and subtle. Make it uniquely yours and let your creativity shine. Great work, everyone. Nicely done. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more content like this. Don't forget to hit that notification bell so you never miss an update. I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments below. What were your favorite moments? Also, if you have a special request, please leave a comment and I will do my best to draw it. Until next time, stay curious and be creative.